Hi, we are going to show how to take attendance of students. So you can take attendance, you can go there from many links. First of all, you can go from here, student attendance. The other link is here. You can see here 0 of out of 22 are present today. And all the bars you can see here, the present student status, absent student status, late students, half day student status. They are empty, there are no progress bar. So we can go from here to add student attendance, and it will take us straight to the attendance by date. If we select a class playgroup section, if we select section, let's see, I think we it will no, we need to select the section. So again, playgroup section A, and today's date is 30th October 2020. So by default all of the students are present, and if we want to make any one of them absent or late or half day, I will make another one absent. And if you want to put any kind of note, you can do that here in front of them, which will be recorded properly. The one who is half day been permitted, or application received, absent application received, whatever you can you can do that. And save attendance. And if we go to section B on the same screen, search, these are the students of playgroup section B. Just one late, one absent, and one half day, and save attendance. And if you are going to take attendance for 29th of this class, and you search, they will all come as a present. And if you say that today is holiday, so mark as holiday. My AIMS.NET says, are you sure? Yes. And save the attendance, so it will mark as a holiday. There are no present, no late, no absent, and no holiday. Same for the section A. Search 29th of October and mark them holiday, yes, and save attendance. So if you go to the dashboard and see, these are the progress bars. These total 15 out of 22 are present, and these 3 are absent, 2 are late, and 2 are half days. So that's how it will be updated on the main dashboard, and you can go straight away from here through these links to take your admission. Thanks a lot for today. Thanks.